new project for add the new AC system over here in this closet. We want to put a bench, we want to put AC, and so right now it's in construction. It's beautiful working like that. So Monday I bring the equipment, Goodman 2-ton system, and I will start for put a bench, dogs, everything in this townhouse. When we'll be finished, I take another video with the new equipment. This is what is going the 2-ton system over here, and we put some steel ducts over here. Exhaust fan, bathroom. Ok, cuando termine la instalación les mando otro video. Gracias.